The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, involves consuming a very low amount of carbohydrates and replacing them with fat to help your body burn fat for energy. You see, your body usually uses carbs for energy, and by eliminating carbs, the body is forced to burn fat for that energy. It's a diet that's become very popular over recent years because it has been proven effective for weight loss and lowering risk for certain diseases. But is it safe, and is it really maintainable? We'll cover those questions and more in this episode of Your Best Life. Stay tuned. The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins diet and other low-carb diets. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body in a metabolic state called ketosis. When this happens, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy for the brain. Ketogenic diets can cause significant reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels, and this is one reason why it's often recommended for those who have diabetes and prediabetes. Additionally, a keto diet can produce benefits that people with the following health conditions might want to consider: heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even epilepsy. Now, here are the rules that one must follow if they're going to be on a keto diet. Cut out all carbs. You'll want to eat high-quality protein like salmon, fish, red meat, steak, bacon, chicken, and turkey. Eggs. Go heavy on the good fats like nuts and avocados. Hydrate, hydrate, and hydrate. Avoid starchy vegetables and starchy fruits. You can have cheese, butter, and even cream. A few veggies are allowed like tomatoes and greens and onions, but the list of foods to avoid is very long. Obviously, all sugar foods such as soda, fruit juice, smoothies, cake, ice cream, and candy. Grains and starches, wheat-based products like pasta and cereal, they're on the no list. When it comes to fruit, you are only allowed a small portion of berries like strawberries. All beans and peas are out. Root vegetables like potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, no. You cannot have a low-fat or diet products, which would include low-fat mayonnaise, salad dressings, and condiments. Barbecue sauce, honey sauce, teriyaki sauce, ketchup, they're not allowed, along with vegetable oils. No alcohol, which includes beer, wine, liquor, and mixed drinks. Also, sugar-free foods like candies, syrups, puddings, sweeteners, desserts, those are a no-no. The keto diet can be a challenging diet, but here are a few tips to make that journey a bit easier. Familiarize yourself with food labels and checking out the number of grams of fat, carbs, and fiber. Planning out your meals in advance, well, that's critical. Many websites, food blogs, cookbooks, they offer keto-friendly recipes and meal ideas that you can use to build your own custom menu. There are some healthy frozen keto meals that can save you some time, but it might strain your budget. So when you're going to a social gathering, you might want to consider bringing your own food, because that can make it much easier to curb the cravings and to stick to your meal plan. I think the biggest issue with keto is there is argument that this type of diet is not safe for the long term. And if you go off the keto diet, many put the weight right back on. These are just some of the things to weigh out if you're evaluating different diets. Thank you so much for watching today. Now, if you have any questions over this video, or if you'd like to see some other subject in a video, I'd love to hear from you. You can reach me at yourbestlife9@gmail.com. Until next time, be happy and be healthy.